Hi there, welcome to our second video. Today we'll dive deeper into using our new anycubic M5S Pro 3D printer and attempt to create a plastic mold for casting a concrete model of Mount Everest. First we need a 3D model of Mount Everest, preferably a free one. We have two main options: either download a ready-made model from a site like thingiverse.com or create our own using the powerful free software QGIS with OpenStreetMap OSM data. The QGIS method offers more flexibility, allowing us to model not just Mount Everest but any mountain, hill or canyon in the world. QGIS provides a DEM or digital elevation model image and can even generate a 3D model from it. A brief guide to this workflow is in the description below, and you'll also find plenty of detailed online manuals for reference. The work area of the anycubic M5S Pro is about 20 by 22 by 12 centimeters, but we tilted the 3D model along two axes for better print success, resulting in final model dimensions slightly less than that. Once we had our 3D model of Mount Everest, we used it to print a plastic mold with approximately 2 mm thick walls. The print took around 6 hours, which was double the 3-hour estimate from the software, using 0.1 mm layers. Unfortunately, the result was not ideal, striped, slightly warped, and far from perfect, likely due to a lack of support elements. To help release the concrete model from the mold, we bought silicone lubricant spray from a local supermarket. While it helped, a proper mold release spray would have worked better. Next, we prepared the concrete mix for our mold using French grey reinforced cement class 42.5 from a local hardware store. Concrete is typically a mix of cement, sand, stones and water. For a finely detailed model like Mount Everest, we opted for a simple cement-water mix, as recommended on this packaging. A few weeks ago, we tested different mixtures with varying amount of sand and found that a sample made with only cement and water, sample 1 on the left, yielded the best results with the fewest cavities. To support the irregularly shaped mountain mold, we use a bowl of sand to keep it stable. When pouring the cement into the mold, it's important to do so in small batches and shake it well to avoid air bubbles. We also placed a small wooden plank with screws into the cement for easy wall or frame mounting later on. After waiting 24 hours, we attempted to extract the concrete model from the mold, but it didn't go as planned. The mold was completely destroyed during the process, and the model itself suffered some damage. This led us to rethink our approach. For our next attempt, we'll use a thin, reusable two-component silicone mold housed in a sturdy 3D printed plastic holder. Stay tuned for that experiment in the next video.